Hi everybody, I'm back with another little mini home decor DIY project, and chances are you've seen the floral neon sign wall panels before, like the one that I have behind me. I made that one. I think that it's pretty damn nice if I do say so myself, and I want to show you how I did it. So, Lego. Here are my supplies and materials. These I had already. For my niece's baby shower a few months ago, I made a backdrop, a floral wall backdrop from PVC pipes and these flowers. Hooray! Yeah, I was really proud of that. And this is really what inspired me to do this project. The baby shower was in Florida and I had to pack these away. It was like a rush situation. So that's why these are all like tangled up. That's what I had, and then I ended up picking up 10 bunches of flowers from the dollar store or the Dollar Tree around my way. I got 5 of these pink ones and 5 of these these long ones. When I first got there, I was extremely underwhelmed. I've never really worked with fake flowers before, but these looked really fake. And then I found these that did not look bad to me. They didn't look too fake or anything like that. But with the other projects that I've seen, people will use like a styrofoam foam board backing. All of those are more uniform, like it's generally the panel is covered with flowers. But what I wanted to do was make this more of like a 3D art installation. I want the flowers to really pop out at you. I didn't want it to look like I could have just bought a flower panel from Amazon or wherever. That's why I want to highlight the copper grid, which I love, and I wasn't sure if I was going to use this this greenery panel. I thought that it might work for this, so we'll see. The way that I'm going to put all of the flowers on, I'm not using any glue or anything like that. All of the flowers stems are wires, so I'll be weaving these wires through the grid. This is not a wire, it's like plastic, just plastic, I guess. So let's see how it goes. I'm not a pink flowery type of woman, but I do think that this will be pretty and it'll be a nice change for me. This neon sign, this is not glass. I do have a much more expensive neon sign in my bedroom already, and that one is glass. But either way, this is, I think it's plastic. I can't remember what material it is. I want it right in the middle of this grid. I don't want it like straight across. I do want it, what do you call that? Slanted. I do want it slanted. So yeah, I'm just laying it out. I've attached the love sign. I just used some of the ivy vine and 2 flowers from these bunches. These wires are like surprisingly strong. So yeah, this is held in. It will not move. Then I'm just gonna make sure that this is pushed through now so that I'm not trying to fit it in there later. And this looks like my girlfriend's hair. Yeah, I'll be vacuuming after this for sure. But anyway, so yeah, I'm just gonna keep working. I wonder if I could have just not cut it and put it all right, just right there in one bunch. Well, it's fine. Or I don't know actually, because this wire is so fat. Let me see, let me try it out. So That would make my life a lot easier. Now I'm gonna break up a lot of them, but maybe I will just use this bunch. Leave this bunch here. Huh. These I'm definitely gonna leave long stemmed because that's just the look of them. If I broke it up, I just don't think it would look as good. Maybe I could make it work, but I don't have to. I don't think. Let's see. We just want to make our lives as simple as possible, don't we? I don't want to be a simple bitch, but you know what I mean. This is cute. Feeling it already. So now, once I start weaving in these, that will secure these even more because I'm going to be weaving in and out, in and out. So yeah, it'll be, like I said, even more secure. But yeah, these are pretty sturdy already. Cool. So this, maybe I should turn this way so you can see what I'm doing, but this will definitely be the most feminine thing that I have in my home. My style when decorating is more bohemian, eclectic, industrial, and rustic, not hyper feminine. Pink is not one of my favorite colors, like most women. Like a lot of women, I shouldn't say most, shouldn't stereotype. But a lot of women like pink. I'm impartial to it. But this pink flower grid, it's gonna be fabulous. And I love greenery, I love plants. I just can't really keep them alive. So I think this is a nice way to add some botanicals to my bohemian abode without the pressure of killing it. Well, without the pressure of keeping them alive. You know? This is all of the bouquets, the Dollar Tree bouquets, and the neon sign. This is what it looks like after those. I'm actually gonna see, I want to see how the patch looks now. Oh, wait, I have two more, shit. So then I'm gonna start weaving in those other vines. But I'm feeling it so far. I don't think that I'm going to use this color because now that I'm looking at it with the other flowers that I got, I don't love it. I'm okay with the darker flowers and the greenery. Of course, I'm going to use that. These pop off of the vines, but then you can just pop them right back on pretty easily. So there's that. shits, oh my god, these shits are fucking popping off like crazy. Ugh. Shit, maybe I just fucking loop this through and then pop them on afterwards because I can't deal with the drama. Not gonna lie, this has kind of turned into being a pain in my ass. Like, a few minutes ago, I was wondering why I just didn't go the easy route and buy the panels, the floral panels. I mean, but I think it's gonna be worth it. Okay guys, so this is a different angle and it's actually a different day. I thought that I was finished and I hung this up on the wall and I was feeling like I could add more greenery over there in the corners, like fill this in some more. I thought that I wanted to leave it more sparse, but I decided that you could still see the copper frame showing through without leaving it as sparse as it is now. So this is what I have now. You can see that I filled it in more there and over there, really all throughout with the dark pink flowers, and then on the sides with the greenery. And I also tried to disguise the wire that hangs, the plug-in wire for the neon sign. So I'm going to move this to the wall now. I'm kind of feeling it how it is. I don't even know if I want to add that green patch in the background, but we'll see. I'm gonna put it on with the patch and then decide if I think that it takes away from it to have it back there. So let's go to the wall. So here is the finished product. What do you think? I am feeling the way that it came out. The flowers look pretty. They're getting hydrated. They're getting blasted with humidifier mist to live their best fake lives. I'm into it.